And we're back to learning Inkscape in the year day 90. Let me show you the Unicode characters menu. So what is this for? If you open it, you can directly see all of the inbuilt fonts at the top left. And if you select them, you can see at the bottom different symbols and characters appear. You can use the drop down, for example, for Greek, and then pick different symbols. With a double click, you basically confirm, and then you can copy paste it. Or when you use the text tool, you can left click then on the canvas, type something in. As I've said here, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V for copy paste, or type something in. Once there is something, you can use the append option right there, and this will append the symbol that's selected. Important to note though is the fonts that you pick, it needs to have these specific characters basically inbuilt. So not every font is suitable for every symbol, for every character. There are quite a lot to choose from. The chess symbols right here, I believe. I haven't yet found a font for that, so this should be empty by default, even with right here sans serif, the most universal font that we've got. But for example, for Cyrillic, so the Russian alphabet, we try to find that quickly, it was somewhere at the top right here. Many fonts will have that. Just double click and then it will be in a box down there. You can use append. Once more, you just have to find the right font for the right set of characters and then you can use that. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.